You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this Greek cheese-based spread, originally from Greece. Delicious. If you want to learn more names from Greek cuisine, Greek dishes, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in Greek as Htipiti. So you have the ch sound, which is a bit like a Arabic sound, also German h sound, ht, and then it's Htipiti. You want to stress a bit more on the last t syllable, Htipiti. Therefore, in English, it's usually pronounced as Htipiti. Htipiti. Htipiti is the English pronunciation. So Greek pronunciation Htipiti, English Htipiti. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.